Changing your password on Amazon Prime Video is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon Prime Video website or open the app. Click on the Sign In button and enter your current email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once signed in, locate your account name or profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. Step 3. Access the security settings. In the Account and Settings menu, look for the Your Account section. Click on Login and Security to access your account security options. Step 4. Change your password. In the Login and Security settings, find the option to change your password. Click on Edit next to the Password section, then enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click on the Save Changes button to update your password. You may be required to sign in again with your new password to confirm the change. Now you have successfully changed your password on Amazon Prime Video. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider updating it regularly for added security.